Hello guys! Hello guys! Ate Justme NorskyHk here again. Busy Kitchen. Ito magluluto po tayo ng fresh noodles, which is this one, oily noodles. Ang ating pangsahog. I have bacon, fish balls, chicken. I have here carrots, ang ating red onion, chopped garlic, and our vegetables, beans, bell pepper, yellow, and I have green, and my cabbage. Yes. And of course, cooking oil, dark soy sauce, our fish sauce, patis, and here, black ground pepper. I have some salt, chicken powder. So, let's start cooking, guys. Ate Norsky. Mainit na po ang wok and oil. My garlic is already brown. I'm going to take it out together with some oil, my friend, and garlic. And the next, our onion. I have a lot of onion. Our bacon. Cook it a lot of oil, right? So since our noodles is already oily, we need to reduce the oil. Anyway, my noodles, I already blanched it with boiled water to remove the excessive oil in there. Now I'm going to put my fish ball in this, okay, and put our chicken now. My chicken meat, I already boiled it before to make my chicken broth. Dark soy sauce. Yan. When I cook my pancit or noodles, I need a little bit darker. And also my patis. This is fish sauce. Need a little bit more because yan. Okay. Next, our black ground pepper and some seasoning. Yan. Na po. And our chicken broth. Yan. Adding our chicken broth here. Okay, maybe more. Yan. Okay. Put our carrots. Can you hear my stove? Very disgusting, right? Let's taste our broth. Broth. Taste. Oh no. This is 3 Cathy. It's very easy recipe. Ate Norsky Style Kitchen. Let's cook it for maybe 10 minutes and it will done. My cabbage, I will put it later. This is our cabbage. Put it on top. Here we go. This is now our toasted garlic. I reduced the oil and just a little bit oil in there. This is it, my friend. So this is our fresh noodles. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe. Justme NorskyHk, Hong Kong. Thank you guys. Love you all.